Jetpack SM honest review. Watch before using. Most people get international travel data wrong. They either pay too much or struggle with connectivity, but you won't believe what happens next when you use Jetpack SM. Jetpack is a digital SIM provider that allows travelers to access mobile data in multiple countries without swapping physical SIM cards. Simply install the eSIM on your phone, choose a plan, and stay connected worldwide. The surprising truth about Jetpack is its convenience. You don't need to visit a store, wait in line, or pay roaming charges. Plans are flexible, ranging from short-term tourist packages to longer data subscriptions, and coverage spans over 100 countries. Most people get this wrong. They assume international SIMs are complicated or unreliable. Jetpack offers a simple setup with instant activation, real-time data tracking, and support for multiple devices on a single eSIM. You can even switch between countries without buying new SIMs. The platform is best for frequent travelers, digital nomads, and business professionals who need reliable mobile data without hidden fees or complicated logistics. It's particularly useful if you want to avoid exorbitant roaming charges while maintaining consistent connectivity abroad. The surprising truth is that Jetpack can save both time and money, offering global data at competitive prices with zero hassle. It turns your smartphone into a truly international device in just a few taps. Subscribe for more honest travel tech reviews to stay connected smartly wherever you go.